Hi everyone, good morning. I'd like to thank my patient first for allowing me to take this video. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you and to all those who are watching this video. Happy New Year. Can I ask you a few questions?
Yes.
Yeah, how long since you have done this hair restoration with Dr. Inder and team?
Yeah, I started from October last year until now. I think about 3 months.
Yes. Yeah. So number of grafts that you did? 3,000.
3,500.
3,500 grafts, yes. So basically what we focus was in the front. If you look at it, both the temporal points, here, and then the hairline, and then temporal angles, and we went up to the crown area. The owner has healed very well. So far 3 months has been a very smooth journey from hair restoration up to 3 months.
Yes.
Yes, it's been as well. So you're very excited to look forward for more hair to come?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Sure.
So the first 3 months is like a real patient game because you're not going to see much of a hair. The hair is actually growing from inner to outer. So right now 3 months has passed, more results to come, and another 2 months you'll be happy person walking around because I really can see already. The color have changed, the area that I've transplanted the hair, and I really can see a lot of changes and a lot of mineralization of hair coming about.
Yes.
Hair restoration is a long journey. So initially first 3 months is you know about the waiting for the more results to come.
Have to be more patient, everything.
Yes. So you like to say anything before we end the video?
Yeah, I would like to say thank you to Dr. Inder and for the advice and everything. Make me more patient.
Yes.
Absolutely. Anyway, I will continue the PRP.
Yes. Yes, that's
right. 4 times, I think.
Yes, that's right.
And can't wait to see the result.
Yeah, I can't wait too myself.
That's it.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much everyone. Bye.